Hey everyone, this is Dara from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. It's a great time to be alive. And guys, this is a huge warning, guys. We could be seeing more dumpage, more and more dumpage this weekend, guys. We could be seeing things going down, diddy, down, like crazy, guys. So don't panic out there. It's not the end of the world. It's absolutely not the end of the world. We're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about, the S&P and how we had the tankety tank. You guys all know about the inflation rate coming down, going up more than we expected, and that just caused the whole broader markets to tank. It looks like the S&P and the Nasdaq out there is getting close to a bull market a bull market level right now. So from that perspective, I absolutely believe with all my heart that we are getting close to the Bitcoin bottom if we have not reached that, guys. So I don't think we're going to go anytime soon, anytime down even more. I think we're pretty close to bottom, guys. Worst case scenario, absolute worst case scenario for me is going to be about 26.5 in hours, guys. So from that perspective, guys, you got to buckle up and just be thankful that Bitcoin didn't tank all the way down to 15,000, that we're still above $29,000, and that is an absolute happy place to be. That is a great place to be, guys. So don't panic in house, guys. From that perspective, let's jump into the content. We're going to talk about top trending coins. We're going to talk about have we hit the bottom, where we're going to go from here. We're going to talk about Cardano. Cardano is in the news, and Charles is saying that bear markets are actually good for innovation. We're going to talk about that and much more. Also looks like the Treasury Department is being sued right now over the infrastructure bill that was passed in terms of the reporting. $10,000 or more transactions need to be reported and KYC. So we're going to talk about that and much more, guys. So buckle up, guys. This is going to be a great video. So right now, the top 10 trending coins in terms of volume right now is Tether, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, USD, Flex, WHE, XRP, Solana, and BNB, guys. So that's what's trending. Those are the top trending, highest trending coins in terms of volume, guys. So that is pretty cool, and from that perspective. But what people are actually talking about right now, you can see here that most of the the action and most of the influential tweets right now out there, and what is really driving sentiment is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano. So Cardano is getting a lot of presence right now. A lot of people are talking about it. There's a lot of articles, and as people start to talk about it, as people start to tweet about it, and you see more press about it, the price will start to make a move. And that's why I've been rebalancing my portfolio. Yesterday, as I said, I DCA'd in yesterday after CPI data, so I was able to pick up some really good dips. I picked up some Bitcoin out there, as I told you. I picked up some Ethereum, picked up some ADA, also picked up a little bit more the Doge Warrior, guys. So, but I did pick up a massive amount of ADA because I really think, I believe that ADA is going to be a good coin. It's going to be a strong coin. Remember, everything you see here is not financial advice. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. This video is only for educational purposes only, guys. So do your own risk management, do your own research. Make sure you absolutely do that out there, and don't FOMO in, and don't ape into these FOMO rockets like a lot of the newbies do out there. And please don't invest in these poo-poo-schmata coins, because we're seeing that the poo-poo-schmata coins, their seasons are done, guys. So that is good from that perspective, guys. So stay in the top 50 coins. You should be just fine. And remember, diamond hands. If you don't have any money and your portfolio is underwater, guys and gals, don't panic sell. Remember, because you should not have invested more than you're willing to lose. So even though your portfolio is down, you should be okay. I mean, my portfolio is down, but I firmly believe that we're going to be seeing $100,000 Bitcoin coming in. We could be seeing a $5,000 to $6,000 Ethereum coming in. And remember, we got the Ethereum 2.0 coming in, guys and gals. And I think that the price is going to take up. And I really believe that once Bitcoin gets going, Dogecoin is going to get going. So we're going to talk about Dogecoin right now as well. So from that perspective, the top mentioned coins on Twitter is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Litecoin, Digibyte, Ethereum, a name service, Solana, Shiba Inu, Terra Luna Classic, and Tether out there. So when it comes to Terra Luna Classic, when it comes to Terra Luna 2.0, like I said, what the OG did out there, I sold all my Luna. I don't want to have anything to do with this project. I don't want to have anything to do with it at all. I don't trust Dogecoin out there. I think that he's a nefarious actor, and I think that he intentionally dumped and caused this whole event to happen, either intentionally or indirectly, but he actually caused it, and a lot of people lost their life savings, and a lot of people got hurt, guys. So that's why I don't want anything to do with Luna. And guys, be careful, be absolutely careful out there. You know, I see a lot of YouTube influencers out there. You know, you see these thumbnails, you know, Luna to $1, Luna to $1. It is not possible, guys. It's absolutely not possible, guys. So please, please don't get hurt. Don't get sucked into the hype, guys. Be realistic out there. Just go out there, calculate the total amount of coins in circulation for Luna, and those coins multiplied by $1, then you're going to see the market cap. The market cap that you need to achieve to hit Luna to $1 is impossible. And even if you take the current burning, you know, what they're supposedly burning for Luna Classic and Luna 2.0, even if they achieve the burn and it's at, you know, Luna Classic becomes $1, guys, the market cap is insane. So it's not possible, guys. Do not fall into the trappy trap, guys. So, you know, Charles Hoskins, he's saying that crypto market downturns have one massive positive impact, says Cardano Creator. And what he says is that, you know, now that the, you know, crypto markets are down, it is a good time for innovation. And according to Hoskins, new crypto sectors such as decentralized finance came into being during bear markets, guys. And he says, I personally have been through six bear markets now, and every time you see major advancements and major achievements, guys. So, you know, when the markets are down, there's less noise, people can really focus and start developing. So, you know, the bear markets are not that bad, guys. And I still don't believe we're in a full bear market. I think we're in a micro bear cycle wrapped in still a bull run, guys. And where the bottoms are in, I believe it with all my heart that we're seeing the indicators. American Express to offer its first crypto rewards credit card. So that is positive, guys. Even though we're in a bear market, American Express is still developing. So it looks like the Abra credit card was unveiled at the annual consensus in Texas today. And, you know, basically you're going to be able to get crypto rewards whenever you buy a purchase. So that is pretty cool. That is exciting that, you know, you're going to get crypto, you know, cash back. You know, we normally say cash back, but you're going to be able to get crypto back on every purchase. So that is going to be pretty cool. I love that. I absolutely love that. I mean, I've got the crypto.com credit card, and I get 5% cash back on all my purchases, but I don't get crypto cash back. So I would love it if crypto.com, if you're listening, you should give people the option of a cash back in fiat like we do now, or cash back in crypto, either CRO tokens or whatever tokens that you know, you want to support. So that is cool. Crypto.com, get it. Follow American Express example. That is pretty cool beans. So this is also coming in right now. So it looks like Coin Center takes U.S. Treasury to court over alleged financial spying. So what this is all about is about this controversial, you know, remember the infrastructure bill? That was the whole big thing last year. Everybody's talking about it, and everybody thought that, you know, crypto was going to be over because of this whole regulation thing. It was a non-brainer. But the 650I amendment requires individuals and business to report information related to all incoming transactions worth $10,000 or more, which includes sender's name, date of birth, and social security number. So Coin Center in its announcement highlighted how this amendment affects the entire crypto community, including NGOs that receive anonymous donations, non-fungible token artists who have to reveal their clients' personal information. So this is not good, guys. This is not good. So let's keep following that. Let's see how it goes. I don't think they're going to win. I actually don't think they'll win. But, you know, this does have far-reaching effects over cryptocurrency. So if you send more than $10,000 worth of cryptocurrency, you're going to have to, or receive more than $10,000, you're going to have to KYC, you know, where that money is coming from, guys. So this makes it really important to understand that node operators, decentralized finance, it's impossible for them to do that, but this is one of the regulations that you have to abide by. So right now, for the heat map we're seeing complete redness, we're seeing carnage, we're seeing blood on the streets, guys. It is a huge Debbie Downer event, guys. Huge warning out there. We could be seeing more bleeding, more downage over the weekend, guys. So it is Saturday here in Vietnam, Saturday early evening. The sun has not gone down yet, but it's on the way down. But we're seeing that this could continue. Remember, the markets are closed. The markets are absolutely closed. So you're going to see lighter volumes. But you could see, when you have lighter volumes, you could see more volatility in terms of price. And we could be seeing things going down, down. We're seeing Bitcoin is down about 3% right now. It's at 29,104. We're seeing Ethereum is also bleeding out about 10%. So things are not looking that good at all. If you take a look at the fear and greed index right now, the fear and greed index is at 12. Smart money is still buying. No, smart money is still buying. I bought a boatload of crypto yesterday. I bought so much crypto. I had to rent a truck to shovel all my crypto into the back of the truck, guys. And I did ape in like a madman to ADA, guys. So Charles, if you're watching this, don't screw up, brother. Don't screw up. Don't screw up, guys, because I got a lot riding on ADA, guys. A lot riding, and I'm willing to absolutely, hold ADA to 2025. I don't care. I mean, it's like it's there. It's tucked away. I don't need the money, and I never ever invest more than I'm willing to lose, guys. So remember that, guys. And if we take a look at the Bitcoin right now on the weekly, you can see that Bitcoin right now, the last time we had all of these dumps was in 2019. We had the Corona crash in 2020, and now we're seeing exactly the same thing. This is a huge golden opportunity in bear market, low buying area. This is literally the opportunity of a lifetime, and we're not going to be seeing this again for a very long time, where we can have these huge buying opportunities, and this is going to create life-changing wealth, generational wealth, guys. And remember, the price of admission to cryptocurrency is volatility, guys. So if you cannot stand the volatility, sell now and go watch paint dry, guys. Actually go watch paint dry, because volatility is the price of admission. And remember, the whales are still buying. And remember, they are going to spread FUD. They're going to tell you it's over. And as we see more and more articles and more things that say, oh, the market's over, we're in a bear market, everything is going down, this is when you do the opposite of what the news is saying. And right now, this is a huge time to buy, in my personal opinion. Other stuff that are coming in right now, we can see key observations. We can see that the weekly RSI is less than 35 right here, so this is pretty bullish. And we're seeing that we're getting a 10% angle uptrend, so that is pretty good. And and this makes me even more confident. This is from Stock Money Lizards. Makes me more confident, and them more confident ever, that we are bottoming here. I believe that we are at the bottom. We are close to the bottom, and the bottom is absolutely here. So let's take a look at the Bitcoin price right now. So right now you can see that the itty bitty baby price is at 29,100, and I still believe this is the bottom. 29,000 is holding up like a charm. Yesterday we went down 5.15%. We can also see that the S&P 500 also went down about 5.67%. So we can see that the total drop between the Bitcoin and the S&P 500 is almost identical out there. Tech stocks took a major hit, and this was because of all the reaction to the inflation news out there, guys. So that is what that is all about. Within 48 hours, the inflation scare is gonna fizzle out, and things will start to get back to normal. So that is pretty positive from that perspective, guys. So I believe that we're bottoming out. I absolutely think that we're bottoming out, and $29,000 is a huge support level. This just in, if you're a Gemini holder, Gemini Exchange will no longer provide free crypto withdrawals starting June 15th. You're going to have to start to pay, guys. So that is a Debbie Downer. So from my perspective, move to a different platform, get your coinage on a hardware wallet, or at least a software wallet, where you can control the fees, because basically you're only going to have to pay the network fees. So from this perspective, you're going to have to pay the network fees and also the Gemini's fees on top of that, guys. So watch out for that. That is kind of interesting. Breaking news: Lightning Network capacity surpasses 4,000 Bitcoin, guys. So the Bitcoin Lightning Network is still growing, and this is pretty positive. We're still seeing transactions happening, and the Bitcoin network is growing day by day, second by second, guys. So this is pretty bullish, and this is also coming in right now. So if you guys can see that Shiba Inu right now has about 116, if I'm not mistaken, 116 total exchanges where they have Shiba Inu listed. Now, if we compare that to Dogecoin right now has about 103 exchanges listed where Dogecoin is bought and sold on centralized exchanges. So you can see that Shiba Inu and Bitcoin are almost, Shiba Inu and Dogecoin are almost the same, 116 versus 106 out there. So from that perspective, the amount of exchanges that are offering Shiba Inu and Dogecoin are about the same, guys and gals. So, some people have been asking me, oh, gee, why are you not covering Shiba Inu? I don't want to cover it because the There's too many people covering it, guys. Why do I just want to be one of the many? I want to be one of the few, and I want to be the only one out there that gives you the facts, no nonsense facts, straight up in your face. And I'm going to tell you if things are not good. I'm going to tell you if things are bad. I'm going to give you the straight, honest news. And I just want to share the facts and news with you guys. So let's take a look at Bitcoin on the weekly right now. So right now, Bitcoin on the weekly is it's going down again. It's between 29,100 right now, and we're seeing that we've got 1 day and 14 hours left on this weekly chart, ladies and gentlemen. And I think that we can confirm that we're going to close this week in a down red candle, and there's absolutely no chance of this going green. But however, my blue box support line is still holding. We saw this line holding, back in July last year. We saw that back in May last year. We also saw it holding back in January last year. So guys, this line has been holding for almost 2 years. So I really believe this is huge support, huge support levels. And I think that this is the absolute bottom. And we can see this time and time again, guys. So from that perspective, I'm pretty positive. If we look at the Bitcoin dominance right now, it's getting pretty close to 58. And I think as we get closer and closer to 50%, that's when we're going to see Bitcoin start to take off, guys. The altcoins will be bleeding out like crazy, but Bitcoin will take off. And then what will happen is people will say, oh, wow, Bitcoin's close to all-time highs. And then there will be a bit of a Bitcoin sell-off. All that liquidity will move into altcoins, and then we'll start to see the altcoins move. And right now we're seeing that the DXY, the basket of dollars compared to the euro, to the yen, the GB pound, you can see that the dollar is extremely strong right now. And one of the reasons for that is that inflation is running rampant in the UK. Inflation is running rampant in the EU. And that is not good for this whole comparison between the dollar and other currencies. So that is why another reason that's putting some selling pressure on Dogecoin, on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. We absolutely need to see the DXY go below 100. We need to see it go in this area right here. And if we can see the DXY get to 96, this is going to provide maximum liftoff out there, guys. So that is pretty cool in the house, guys. So right now, for the price of Dogecoin, we're seeing Dogecoin has collapsed a little bit. It's at 7.5 cents. It's been here all day, and it's gone down approximately about the same level that we've seen the broader markets and Bitcoin going down. For me, my absolute bottom for Dogecoin is 0.4 cents, guys. So buckle up for that. My absolute bottom for Bitcoin is around about 21.047. I don't think we're going to get that. I think that 26,573 is going to be our secondary support if we break down below $29,000. Let's take a look at Ethereum in the house. Right now, Ethereum is at 1598. So it's broken down from my support level. It gave up around about 5.5%, exactly what Bitcoin gave up. So right now we're seeing on the daily, right now we're seeing that Ethereum is down about 10% right now. So Ethereum is faring worse because more and more people have been panic selling and moving their liquidity into Bitcoin. My absolute bottom for Ethereum is around about $1,200, guys. So that's how low we could go. And let's take a look at the ADA right now. So ADA as well, yesterday it did have this huge dumpage as well yesterday. And a lot of that dumpage was because of the inflation data. And we saw that yesterday that we're seeing about 1.97 wick down to the downside. So we were painting higher lows earlier 2 days ago, but that's been invalidated. We're now breaking out from the support level. I believe that the ADA will continue. We need to get above 61 cents, and then that will have a continued clear path up to 70 cents. But long term, I am definitely bullish on ADA, guys. I'm definitely bullish, guys. So let's take a look at total market cap. The total market cap is looking disgusting in the house. It's at 1.19 trillion. We've been bleeding out a lot, around about 5%. We've lost about 5% in terms of total market cap. We're seeing the 24-hour volume is about 44.53, and we're seeing the Bitcoin dominance is also going uppity up. So if we take a look at the coins in the house, we're seeing absolute carnage. The only thing that's in the green is the USD stable coins. We're seeing that Bitcoin is down almost 3%. We're seeing it's down on the weekly as well. We're seeing Ethereum is down almost 10% on the daily and on the weekly. We're seeing that BNB is only slightly down. So BNB is holding up pretty good today, pretty strong, pretty secure. We're seeing ADA is down only 2.19%, which is less than Bitcoin. So that is good from that perspective. We're seeing Solana is down 6%. We're seeing the Doge is down as well. We're seeing that DOT is down. We're seeing Avalanche is down. Shibi Weeby is down as well. Matic is down. Everything is just a huge bloodbath, guys. There's lots of red out there. I know it's not a perfect time to be alive, your portfolios are probably looking pretty poo-poo schmata. My portfolio is down as well. But, you know, I'm in it for the long term. In the long term, Bitcoin will recover it. It always recovers. It always will. Diamond hands, guys. Absolutely diamond hands. Kryptonite hands, guys. So that's going to bring this video to a close. And guys, you've got to feed the algorithm, and the only way you can feed the algorithm is you got to do two things. You've got to smash the likes, you've got to comment. Smash the likes and comment, guys. Go down there, check out all the links. Follow me on Twitter, guys. Right now we got 4,507 people following us on Twitter. Let's just get this up to 5,000 followers, guys. Get it. Let's get it, guys. And don't forget to get the merch, guys. Get the merch, get the mug. Get a cup of love, guys. Get the hat, it makes you smarter. We got hoodies and t-shirts. Also check that out, guys. And we've also got the Dogecoin Tip Jar. So go down, check out the Dogecoin Tip Jar, check out the links, become a Patreon member, buy the channel a coffee, guys. So I'll see you in the next one. God bless you. I'll see you absolutely next one. Be well. Don't panic, guys. Peace out.